Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a Master in UX UI Design course with AI integration by Flex IT, and these are the stats like 100% placement is there. Of online and offline classes both are there, timely assignments are there. These are the design potential, research, principles, prototyping, AI tools, and 35 plus tools are there like Figma, XP, Beasley, Miro, Midjourney, Lovable, Dora AI, Notion, Webflow. Overall, they have covered all the tools in terms of UX UI and also in terms of AI tools because it's a AI integration course. So uh, it's a good thing like they have added the AI tools also in terms of future oriented. Uh, if we go down, these are the offers, these are the features about the course, and this is the course curriculum like 50 plus section is theirs, 95 plus hours is theirs, and fundamentals and AI in design, wireframing and prototyping, and AI enhanced testing, personalization, portfolio help is also there, and projects building, prototyping is also there, and these are the outcomes after completion of course, and this is the certification. And if we go down, these are the another course, these are the testimonials, success stories, FAQs, and rest. Overall, the UI of this page is also looking good, and they have covered all the fundamentals related to AI, related to UX UI design course, and it's a future-oriented course, so it's a good course. Like I will recommend this course. You can go with this course. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, like curriculum is 1, user research fundamental is 1, and UI design quality is also 1. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me, and tools and software training is again 1, and mentorship and feedback is again 1. Portfolio development is 0.5 for me, and placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. And course values fees is again 1 for me because it's a good course. Industry relevance update is also 1 for me because it's a good to go course as it is future oriented course, and it's a 9 out of 10 course, and it's a good course, good to go. But again, there are many better courses in the market. I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters in mentioned in this list, and covers all the fundamentals, UI design quality, and case studies and tools and software trainings are also there, and also help you in guiding in terms of portfolio development and mentorship and feedback, and also helping placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Also, if you have any query in terms of UX UI portfolio development, you can definitely drop your comment. I will help you guys. Thank you.